In Gujarat, a 24-hour-long battle to break records in road construction using one-of-a-kind technology. Across southern India, new roadways connect people to development. Big tech, big ideas, big dreams and mammoth resources come together to build these engineering marvels that connect the country. Today, the Patel infrastructure crews are setting out to achieve the impossible. Spanning almost 1,300 kilometers, the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway will be India's longest. Between Gujarat's Vadodara and Bharuch, on these 31 and 32 kilometer stretches of unpaved road that make up package 2 and 3 of this flagship project, mind-boggling targets have been set. 24 hours, 12,000 cubic meters of concrete to pave 2 kilometers of new road.
आज तक हिंदुस्तान में 8 लेन कंक्रीट रोड कोई नहीं बना है, तो हमने सोचा हम इसको कैसे भी करके ये प्रोजेक्ट लेंगे और इसमें कुछ एक ऐसी मिसाल दिखाएंगे, एक ऐसा मकाम हम बनाएंगे कि लोग भी ये सोचे, कि लोग भी ये देखें कि ऐसे भी काम हो सकता है, ये क्वालिटी और ये स्पीड से भी काम हो सकता है।
गोल्डन बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स में पटेल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के द्वारा कुछ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स अप्लाई किए गए हैं। और सबसे पहली बात है कि 24 घंटे तक लगातार पेवमेंट क्वालिटी कंक्रीट जो होता है उससे ये रोड बनाया जा रहा है। ये एक सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज का मामला है और इसको फीड करने के लिए जो मिक्सचर होता है जो जिससे रोड बनता है उसको भी सबसे अधिक क्वांटिटी में प्रिपेयर करके इसको सप्लाई किया जाएगा। ये अपने आप टेल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए बड़ा चैलेंज रहेगा। इसके सारे पैरामीटर्स को हम चेक कर रहे हैं।
A chance to concrete themselves into history. 7 a.m. The clock starts ticking. 6 concrete batching plants simultaneously come to life. These ready-mix concrete plants are preparing a whopping 840 or so cubic meters of concrete every hour. More than 500 to 1,000 square foot homes can be built with the concrete to be used today. Crushed stone, sand, cement and water, measured and mixed automatically by machines calibrated to run like clockwork. Today, an army of over 100 tippers have been deployed. Their job? Ferry mammoth quantities of concrete from the batching plants to the construction site. Meanwhile, the road crews wait with bated breath. Till now, they have been working at a pace of about 500 meters a day.
हम एक स्पेशल पेवर लेंगे जिससे कम से कम जॉइंट आए और राइडिंग क्वालिटी बहुत बढ़िया मिले, तो वो हमने खुद शुरू की। तो उसमें हमको ये विडजन कंपनी जो जर्मन से पेवर बनाती है उनका 16 मीटर का पेवर आता था। तो हमने जब भी हमको प्रोजेक्ट मिला तो हमने पहले से उनको बोला कि हमको 18.75 मीटर का पेवर चाहिए, उसके लिए आप क्या कर सकते हो। तो वो लोग ने उसकी डिज़ाइन डिवीज़न ने 2-3 महीना पूरा डिज़ाइन चेक करके उन्होंने बोला हम आपको 18.75 मीटर का पेवर देंगे। तो ये 18.75 मीटर का पेवर भी वर्ल्ड का हमारा फर्स्ट पेवर है।
8 a.m. The race is on. The tippers arrive to dump prepared cement onto the roadbed. The crew gets to work. Months of planning, training and mock drills have led to this moment. 1,200 men and innumerable machines form the construction cycle. If any of them slips up, the whole system gets delayed. PM. The road is being built at a steady speed of 140 meters an hour. Confidence grows, but worry lingers. Crews have worked on their capacity. From 6,000 cubic meters of concrete a day to 10,000. In this 24-hour cycle, they plan to use 35,000 tons of cement and 18,000 tons of stone. (7 PM). Construction crews are being carefully monitored by quality control and safety teams.
ये जो प्रोग्रेस है, हो सकता है कि लाइट की कमी की वजह से रात में थोड़ा सा स्लो डाउन हो, तो वो कुशन पीरियड जो अभी इस प्रोग्रेस है दिन में, वो शायद रात में इनको मेकअप करके दे दे।
Nightfall brings a fresh set of challenges. The night crews need to fight exhaustion. Staying alert is crucial when dealing with machinery of this scale. Any breakdowns could mean colossal setbacks. The new day dawns. By early morning, the crews allow themselves to hope. AM. Celebration erupts. 24 hours, 2.4 kilometers of new expressway of world-class standard, 14,000 cubic meters of concrete. The one-of-a-kind 18.75 meter concrete slip from paver is guided by a crew of 1,200 men. Any road construction crew anywhere in the world will struggle to beat this. History has been paved with concrete.
हम लोग जब से रोड में आए तभी हम लोग ये सोच रहे थे कि एक ऐसा मकाम बनाना चाहिए, एक ऐसी स्पीड बढ़ानी चाहिए, एक ऐसी क्वालिटी देनी चाहिए, क्योंकि हम लोग जो सड़क बनाते हैं वो सड़क नहीं, हम ये समझ के चलते हैं कि एक देश का निर्माण है।
We are pleased to know that Patel Infrastructure Limited has set 4 world records in a span of 24 hours in their Vadodara-Kim Expressway projects, and Yes Bank is financer for one of those projects and is proud to be associated with them.
हम वर्ल्ड का 3rd लार्जेस्ट नेटवर्क है और रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन में आज 33 किलोमीटर पर डे का कंस्ट्रक्शन कर रहे हैं। ये अपने आप में मुझे जानकारी मिली है कि ये वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है। अगर 40 किलोमीटर हो जाएंगे तो रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड हिंदुस्तान में बनेगा।
In fact, with this world record happening, there is a very healthy competition among concessionaires and contractors that everybody wants to do something which is unique, something which is great. This whole healthy competition that is happening, we are very proud that most of those contractors are all Indian contractors. The entire team of Indian engineers, Indian contractors, Indian consultants have made this achievement happen. So I think that's a very satisfying thing to know that everything is done by Indians and for India.
The fiery chilies of Telangana dance on taste buds around the world. Godavari Basin's soft sandy soil and humid weather conditions gives the chilies a special kick. The same conditions make constructing this 1.8-kilometer bridge across the river particularly challenging for KNR Construction's work crew. Godavari River never dries up. Boring into soft soil underwater is not simple. Heavy-duty 60-litre per second pumps were deployed to control water levels as the KNR crew carefully began building the foundation. 36-metre deep foundations are lodged into Godavari's bed.
Anywhere on Godavari Bridge, the bridge construction is always very challenging actually, and same is with this bridge also. Out of 12 months, we could get hardly 5 to 6 months to take up the foundation works. Even that time also you find a lot of water, and it's a challenging thing to do the foundation work underwater actually. So that is a major challenge actually. Here actually each foundation is made with 4 numbers of piles on which a pile cap is provided, which is the foundation for the pier actually.
45 40-metre spans make up the body of the bridge. Girders are stressed prior to installation for added strength. Liners are added to make it sturdier. A complex construction process made more difficult due to weather conditions. If KNR's crew didn't finish before the monsoon, the rain would have washed away all the 5-6 months worth of work that came before. But the work was worth it. Tribals from surrounding areas had to row across the river to connect to the world beyond. Now a part of a busy National Highway 163, this bridge connects Chhattisgarh to Telangana and is a lifeline to chili producers in the area.
The Etunagaram people to travel to Hyderabad or to nearest city Warangal, they used to take a long path, or they used to pass through boats. So which was very difficult process for them, and even the Chhattisgarh people who were wanting to come to the Telangana state, they were also traveling a lot. and the buses are reaching almost 150, 180 kilometers, means almost they used to take 6-7 hours to reach. Initially, when we started the work to send the concretes from one point to other point or send the equipments from one point to other point, we used to take 180-kilometer path and reach the other corner of the bridge. So that was really challenging, and it was so important for the people that they are cutting out 180 kilometers or the risky travel in the boats. The connectivity between Chhattisgarh and Telangana state, there was a lot of goods vehicles also. We can see the traffic improved in the toll plazas of that same NHAI, and it's almost gone up by 4 to 5 times the traffic numbers.
More traffic on the road means more traffic in this dhaba.
మాది బిర్జీ అవతల హోటల్ పెట్టుకున్నాం. సమ్మక్క సారక్క హోటల్ మాది పేరు. మేము బిర్జీ అవతల హోటల్ పెట్టుకున్నాం. బిర్జీ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ 2016లో స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఆ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వడే మా దగ్గరికి రోజుకు 200 మంది టిఫిన్ చేసేవాళ్ళు. పూర్తయినాక మేము బిర్జీ యువతలకు వచ్చినాం. బిర్జీ యువతలకు వచ్చినాక మేము స్థలం కొనుక్కున్నాం, హోటల్ పెట్టుకున్నాం. మంచిగా ఆదాయం కూడా బాగుంది. వెహికల్ కూడా బాగా నడుస్తూ ఉన్నాయి, మంచిగానే ఉంది.
The bridge that is being built on Godavari will provide a very smooth connectivity not only to the Hyderabad and the around region, it will also connect Chhattisgarh with another alternative alignment. I think we have seen Telangana, Chhattisgarh has seen so much of Naxalite movement, and that has impacted the development of this state. You know, those new alternative will definitely be very useful in providing that large connectivity that is required. Better seamless connectivity will bring in lot of, as I said, development in terms of their accessibility to education, health, also for the security mechanism. A better connectivity in that area will help them, control the law and order situations. So I think yes, that Godavari bridge is very critical in providing a relief to that region.
The bridge between places, people and where they want to go. This engineering marvel is connecting the country. This 27-odd kilometer stretch of highway connecting Tamil Nadu's Pollachi to Coimbatore has already been upgraded to a brand new 4-lane highway by KNR Construction's crew. Built with high-quality concrete, the road is able to weather Tamil Nadu's heavy monsoons. The newly upgraded highway is now 4 lanes wide, with 1 flyover, 7 minor bridges and a road overbridge. Lesser junctions and traffic lights has halved the travel time from Pollachi to Coimbatore. Rural residents around Pollachi are able to easily journey to Coimbatore to study or work with ease. Tourists are also able to move easily to nearby temple towns, a boost that brings great cheer to locals.
रेगुलर पोलाची से लेके कोयम्बतूर बहुत आदमी जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए, स्टडीज़ के लिए मेन कॉलेजेस अपना कोयम्बतूर में 4 मेडिकल कॉलेजेस हैं एंड इंडस्ट्रीज. देयर आर सो मेनी इंडस्ट्रीज फ्रॉम पोलाची टू कोयम्बतूर एरिया. फॉर ऑल दीज थिंग्स फ्रॉम कोयम्बतूर टू पोलाची, पोलाची टू कोयम्बतूर एम्प्लॉयज़ डेली आना है जाना है. उसके लिए एर्लियर जो वो आदमी लोग को टाइम पे पहुंचना बहुत प्रॉब्लम वाली बात है. मतलब अभी जो ये रोड बनने के बाद वो लोग एग्जैक्ट टाइम पे पहुंच रहा है. और एक बात है, ये पोलाची पूरा जो है कोकोनट फार्म्स हैं. कोकोनट फार्म्स का और कोकोनट इंडस्ट्रीज़ का वाट एवर प्रोडक्ट्स आर देयर. दोज व्हीकल्स आर रेगुलर मूवमेंट्स आर देयर. दोज रेगुलर मूवमेंट्स अभी जो ये 4 लेन रोड की वजह से उन लोग को बहुत आसान हो गया. ऑल टाइप ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम वर्कर्स टू हाई लेवल पीपल आल्सो इट इज़ वेरी मच यूजफुल बिकॉज ऑफ टाइम रिड्यूसिंग, ट्रैवल टाइम रिड्यूसिंग.
जगह कनेक्टिविटी दे रहा हूँ और आपको बताता हूँ इसी से हमारा ग्रोथ रेट बढ़ेगा, जीडीपी बढ़ेगा, एग्रीकल्चर ग्रोथ रेट बढ़ेगा, पोर्ट में लॉजिस्टिक कॉस्ट कम होगी, हमारा एक्सपोर्ट बढ़ेगा, रोजगार की क्षमता बढ़ेगी। और ये लॉजिस्टिक कॉस्ट हमारी अमेरिका में लॉजिस्टिक कॉस्ट 12% है, चाइना में 8.5% है और यूरोपियन कंट्री में भी ये 11-12% है। जो आज 16% 18% पे है वो हम लोग 12% से नीचे लाएंगे। अब 6% कॉस्ट कम होगी तो इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में उतना कॉम्पिटिटिव बनेंगे, तो हमारी इकोनॉमी बढ़ेगी, एक्सपोर्ट बढ़ेगा। हमारे पास वर्ल्ड का सबसे यंग टैलेंटेड स्किल्ड इंजीनियरिंग मैन पावर हमारे पास है, हमारे पास रॉ मटेरियल अवेलेबल है और ये दोनों का उपयोग करके हम करेंगे तो हम निश्चित रूप से ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी बन सकते हैं।
The 26.5-kilometer bypass connecting Kazakuttam to Mukola has been upgraded by KNR Screw to become part of a brand new 4-lane National Highway 47, allowing cars to avoid congesting Kerala's capital, Thiruvananthapuram, and cutting travel time by a third. People and freight are also the fast lane to the international airport, seaport and crucial tourist corridors. Kerala's rolling terrain poses unique challenges to road construction crews. To protect the surrounding areas, KNR's team painstakingly cut gentle grades along the edges of the highway. Walls on either side of the highway protect those who live above and below. In the middle of the pathway, KNR Screw came up against a 200-meter hillock flanked by commercial buildings and high-rise apartments. Blasting, the traditional excavation technique, was immediately ruled out. A high-tech diamond cutting machine was brought to gently cut away the hillock with no disturbance to the people and their homes around it.
Machines which would be running that belt, and so slowly that cutting happens. So each day it will take 10 to 12 hours for cutting the rock situation there, and due to which the rock is delinked from the major hill. So after that we need to break it into pieces and take it out.
Varadarajan has seen this land grow from mud and soil to a single-lane road to a congested bypass. Eager to participate in its development, he happily sold a part of his land to KNR.
For this, they have taken the complete responsibility of making the bypass more comfortable for the vehicles, and by avoiding to hurt the side by neighbors' property, and as it is, keeping their possession as it is.
Since the highway has been up and running, a young doctor in the making, Bhaskar has already seen complete transformation.
Before this project had come, it took like a lot of time. It consumed a lot of time of my day, and you know, time is money. And it took about almost 2 hours of my day to travel from one place to Karakutam, but it takes only about 30 minutes, and that's the best part of this project, because life got easier, life got a lot better, and that's all you need.
This national highway connects the country to the farthest end of peninsular India.
The last tip of our nation is connected by national highway. You can actually drive down to the last tip, there is a circle, turn around and come back. I think one should go and experience the last tip of this nation.
As connections form across all corners, India's national highways take its people into the future.